Welcome to the Saw Machine production process video. Today we'll walk through how to properly assemble the saw machine. This is the control panel, which has the start and emergency stop buttons. Begin by ensuring the machine is off and unplugged. Open the front door and place a white bin at the bottom. Next, unwrap a new saw blade and discard the wrapper. Hold the blade by the top third as shown, then place it around the top wheel. Make sure the blade faces you and is fully on the wheel. Keep one hand on the blade and reach into the compartment to hook it onto the right hatch, then the left. Make sure it's all the way around the bottom wheel. Tighten the lever under the top wheel, then sit it in a vertical position. Close and fully latch the door. On the left side, loosen the black knob, lift the metal blade guard, and tighten it back in place. Double check that everything is secure. Open the top door and place the metal cutting board on the saw machine as shown. Ensure the metal plate is fitted securely, then add the sliding cutting board. Turn the knob horizontal and slide the metal board forward. Close and latch the top door. Next, set the sizing plate on the metal surface and close the bottom door. Slide the sizing plate towards the blade, then tighten the metal knob on the right side to your desired cut size. Finally, plug in the power cord. That's how you assemble the saw machine.